We're here at Cultus Lake Campground, Deschutes National Forest, Central Oregon. And look at that, my friend. This is the boat ramp launch here at Cultus Lake Campground. Today is October 21st, 2025. It's 31 degrees. You can see some ethereal mist coming off Cultus Lake before they close the Cascade Lakes Scenic Byway gate for the year. Thought I'd come back through here and get one last look at this beautiful alpine lake wonderland zone before the end of the summer season. Already technically in fall, but we're in that shoulder season right before the gate closes, both literally and figuratively. This, my friend, is absolutely beautiful. So this boat ramp launch has two sides, very high quality, what I call corrugated boat ramp launch directly into the water. So you got this side, you got a high quality dock, and then you got this side. So it's nice having essentially two boat ramp launches, both sides of this dock. Allows for a more efficient entry and exit into the lake. It's not just one line with 10 trucks eagerly waiting to get their boating on. You can be a lot more efficient with two sides of a boat ramp launch, so I appreciate that. Paint over here, show you this ethereal mist coming off the lake. This is beautiful. Right now it is 31 degrees, which is what's causing this effect. Today is October 21st, 2025. Walking on this dock, enjoying this beautiful lake. Doing a full campground review of all 55 sites here at Cultus Lake Campground. And I don't want to bury the lead. I think this boat ramp launch, as being a premium alpine lake forest wonderland zone and premium boating destination, definitely deserves top billing. Oh, look at this. Can't get over how crystal clear that water is. Like, I can see every rock on the bottom. I don't know if that's coming through, but you can see the green. It's like crystal clear glacial mountain runoff water. You can see like every nook and cranny, every crevice. It's like a completely clear swimming pool. Like, it's crazy. Like, this is a lake. It's amazing. It's absolutely gorgeous.